Here are 30 quotes by Abraham Lincoln. Nearly all men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. The best way to predict the future is to create it. America will never be destroyed from the outside. If we falter and lose our freedoms, it will be because we destroyed ourselves. My concern is not whether God is on our side. My greatest concern is to be on God's side, for God is always right. Whatever you are, be a good one. I walk slowly, but I never walk backward. The best thing about the future is that it comes one day at a time. You can have anything you want if you want it badly enough. You can be anything you want to be, do anything you set out to accomplish if you hold to that desire with singleness of purpose. Those who deny freedom to others deserve it not for themselves. Do I not destroy my enemies when I make them my friends? I do the very best I know how, the very best I can, and I mean to keep doing so until the end. Character is like a tree and reputation like its shadow. The shadow is what we think of it, the tree is the real thing. I am a firm believer in the people. If given the truth, they can be depended upon to meet any national crisis. The great point is to bring them the real facts. The ballot is stronger than the bullet. I have always found that mercy bears richer fruits than strict justice. Those who look for the bad in people will surely find it. Most folks are about as happy as they make up their minds to be. It is better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to speak out and remove all doubt. The probability that we may fail in the struggle ought not to deter us from the support of a cause we believe to be just. Tact is the ability to describe others as they see themselves. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. No man has a good enough memory to be a successful liar. You can't escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today. Books serve to show a man that those original thoughts of his aren't very new after all. You can fool all the people some of the time, and some of the people all the time, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. Whenever I hear anyone arguing for slavery, I feel a strong impulse to see it tried on him personally. Those who labor for their daily bread are the real owners of the country. I don't like that man. I must get to know him better. No matter how much the cats fight, there always seem to be plenty of kittens. I'm a success today because I had a friend who believed in me and I didn't have the heart to let him down. These quotes reflect some of the wisdom, values, and insights of Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, who led the nation through the American Civil War and played a crucial role in ending slavery.